Now, may I request Professor Sharma sir to deliver the graduation ceremonial address.
Most revered Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamigalu of Sri Siddhaganga Mutt and President of Sri Siddhaganga Education Society, Dr. M.N. Channabasappa sir, Director SIT, Dr. S.V. Dinesh sir, Principal, Dr. Shivkumar Iyer sir, Chief Executive Officer, heads of the departments, professors, teaching fraternity and administrative staff of SIT, stakeholders of the institution, dignitaries on dais, media, representatives, ladies and gentlemen, and Sri T.K. Nanjundappa sir, Secretary, Siddhaganga Education Society. It gives great pleasure to be here as chief guest on this auspicious occasion of the 11th graduation day of the Siddhaganga Institute of Technology. My hearty congratulations to all the graduates and medal winners. I deem it my privilege to address this august gathering. There is a beautiful Subhashita in Sanskrit, Vidyakshayam yasyati kaparyat subuddha mula nipatanti padapaha jalam jalasthana gatam cha shishkati hutam cha dattam cha tataiva tishtati. Meaning, with the passage of time, even the knowledge will get eroded, big trees uprooted, lakes, rivers and such other water sources get drained, but good deeds and acts of righteousness will remain forever. This is what is the big foundation laid by the forefathers of Siddhaganga Education Society, and we must remember with gratitude Sri Sri Dr. Shivkumar Mahaswamiji. In fact, the Taittiriya Upanishad of 15 commandments, which was just read now, that was sung by Sri Bharat Ratna late M.S. Subbulakshmi in the United Nations. And people turned back to India with a good reference and note of gratitude for the ancient wisdom that our great country possesses. Today, by mastering the anxieties of our times through the tools of innovative education, we must try to eradicate the miseries of the mankind. The sufferings have gone in a lot for 1 year. Many people have died, and education was the most hit. The hospitals was the most flooded with misery, suffering. So with human suffering, how do we come out of it? It's a very big surmise and a question mark. So also, most of the education institutions were closed because of the virus. And by God's grace and with the great efforts of such mutts like Siddhaganga Mutt, people have crossed the bridge and come out of the suffering. And you're all here receiving the degrees, and I'm sure God will bless you in all your endeavor. One of the main features of the post-COVID era is the gap between the digitization and digitally enhanced learning and teaching. We have been talking about online education, distance education. The mode of distance education is quite different from online education, while the digitization and digitalization has really taught us a great lesson. COVID has taught us a great lesson. Therefore, we have the online education and hybrid education. This will be the order of the day in future. I think this pandemic has opened a window of opportunities for higher education institutions to engage closely with society. Why? Why do we have to closely network and have an interaction with the society? And it should have a resilient society, which means to say the resilience and robustness in our society, and to the system of education in the deep influence of spiritual aspects and religious mutts. This is what Swami the Vivekananda and Ramakrishna Paramahamsa were always mentioning about the spiritual aspects, and Swami Chidananda in one of his books has written how the religious mutts have propagated and helped the resilience and robustness. Ever since the social revolution created by Vachana Kranti, led by Kayaka Yogi Basavanna, Allama Prabhu, and many other luminaries, the religious mutts inspired by the tenets of Vachana Andolana have established world-class educational institutions with unparalleled academic ambience of Gurukula system, marvelous infrastructure, attracting best brains from academics, etc., which are free from all commercial interests for the complete alleviation of people from the stratum of the society, thereby connecting its grassroots. With the blessings of Paramapujya Shivaradhya, Dr. Sri Sri Shivakumaram Swamiji, this Siddhaganga Institute of Technology has been serving the society, leading to the path of enlightenment for more than 5 decades. The following Vachana of Basaveshwara personifies the vision and mission of this institution. Ivanarava nendenisatiraiyya, Ivanammava endenisayya, Kudala Sangama Deva, Nimma Maneya Maganendenisayya. It is enthralling to see that today Siddhaganga Institute of Technology is offering 13 UG and 12 PG programs and other research centers, which just now the Honorable Principal explained and gave a brief note. I recall the Vachana of Sri Siddhalingeshwara, which is relevant and showcases the contribution of this great mutt. Bhavatimira Ajnanadinda Muskikondu ಕಾಣಬಾರದೆ ಇದ್ದ ಕಣ್ಣಂಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾನವೆಂಬ ಅಂಜನವಿಕ್ಕಿ ಶಿವಪಥವಿದೆಂದು ತೋರಿದ ಸದ್ಗುರು ದೇವಂಗೆ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ಎಂಬೆನಯ್ಯ ಮಹಾಲಿಂಗ ಗುರುಸಿದ್ಧ ಶಿವಸಿದ್ಧೇಶ್ವರ ಪ್ರಭುವೆ. It is pertinent to mention that the spirit of inquisitiveness, urge for innovativeness and adherence to the social service shall be the paramount choices of the graduating students. My dear students, apart from getting the degree, this is just a passport to enter your real-time life, but have the principles of national unity and allegiance to your own motherland. I would like to congratulate this prestigious institution on what it has been able to do during 5 decades. Despite its many challenges, I think this is entirely due to the broad and visionary outlook of the erstwhile pontiff, Dr. Sri Sri Shivakumara Swamiji, and the present pontiff, Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamigalu, including team of dedicated teaching fraternity, which gave full scope to the students to pursue with confidence in all technical and allied subjects. I have witnessed, when I was the principal of RV College of Engineering, Siddhaganga Institute of Technology is a university by itself. Just now, the principal, honorable principal mentioned that we should go in for a deemed to be university. This can very easily be translated and converted into a university, and it has been doing the job of the university. I wholeheartedly congratulate the management and teaching fraternity of Siddhaganga Institute of Technology. Prabhudevaru and Siddharamaya Devaru of 12th century, Krishiya Madi, Unnade Hasivu Ariva Pari Innentu, Karma Yogava Madade, Nirmala Suchittavarige Pari Innentu, Beyada Ashana Vumba, Thavavudu Kapina. Siddha Mallikarjuna Lingake, the greatest need of our people today is to change and how new perspectives in the system of education, thanks to national education policy, which has heralded epoch making new era in the country in the future, not only by honing the skills and talents of young generation for the global career opportunity, and of course you will have to be the Vishwa Guru, and with our ancient wisdom of yoga, Ayurveda, Sanskrit, etc., and with the technical input, we can be the global leader, and never forget the impact of Bharatiyata on us, and we'll have to have a different strategy, a multi-pronged strategy to achieve this. And the social dimension is most paramount, and in this regard, Siddhaganga Institute of Technology has contributed immensely to the society as well as to the state in the multi-pronged activities. I firmly believe it has strictly treaded the path of social inclusiveness, and this can be seen in the mutt. And once the Vachana of Basavanna encompasses the image and spiritual intent of SIT as here under. ಮಾಡಿದನೆಂಬುದು ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಳೆದಡೆ ಏಡಿಸಿ ಕಾಡಿತ್ತು ಶಿವನ ಢಂಗುರ ಮಾಡಿದನೆನ್ನದಿರ ಲಿಂಗಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದನೆನ್ನದಿರ ಜಂಗಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದನೆಂಬುದು ಮನದಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದಡೆ ಬೇಡಿತ್ತ ನೀವನು ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವ. Before concluding, I would like to throw light on the post-COVID situation which has prompted the use of digital technology for accelerated transformational growth of education system. Shankaracharya, in one of the shlokas, he says, Guru Rangri Padme Manaschenna Lagne. Shadangadi, he says, Tatah Kim, which means to say that who is a guru? Co-guru, who is a guru? In Karnataka University, the emblem says that Arive Guru. Guru is well within yourself and the transformation takes place. This is just a conduit of rigorous education for a period of 4 months. The government has initiated several steps for infrastructural development, health, research, education during this post-COVID era. Our economy has witnessed private sector participation in research and related areas. I am sure with this onset of the coronavirus and onset of digitization both together, there will be a blast in the higher education and the gross enrollment ratio would definitely come up and the nation would improve. I once again express my heartfelt thanks to all the dignitaries and authorities of Siddhaganga Institute of Technology for inviting me for this event. I wish all the young graduates of Siddhaganga Institute of Technology for the success in their future endeavor. Namaste. Thank you very much. Namaste.